those responsible will be brought to justice.
It's been 1 week since the blast near Delhi's Red Fort. The National Investigation Agency has arrested a Kashmir resident who conspired with a suicide bomber to carry out terror attack which claimed 10 lives and left 32 others injured. Now the NI has arrested Amir Rashid Ali, in whose name the car, the I-20 vehicle involved in the attack was registered. He was arrested from Delhi a day after the NI launched a massive search operation. In a statement, the NI said in its investigation, it has come to light that the accused, a resident of Sambura, Pampur in J&K, had conspired with the alleged suicide bomber Umar Un-Nabi to unleash the terror attack. As per the anti-terror agency, Amir had come to Delhi to facilitate the purchase of the car, which was eventually used as a vehicle-borne IED to trigger the blast. NI has forensically established the identity of the deceased driver of the vehicle-borne IED as Umar Un-Nabi, a resident of Pulwama district and assistant professor in General Medicine Department in Al Falah University in Faridabad. Also, the anti-terror agency has seized another vehicle which belongs to Nabi, that is an EcoSport. The vehicle is for now being examined for evidence in the case, in which the NI has so far examined 73 witnesses, including those injured in the blast. And our correspondent Dharamjot Kaur has sent us this ground report. Take a listen in.
Behind me is the very same Red Fort metro station which witnessed the ramifications of a powerful explosion on Monday, November 10th, 6:52 p.m. in the evening. That explosion killed 10 people and injured more than 30 other people. Now, behind this entire metro station that was completely cordoned off for several days, the DMRC finally announced that it is reopening on Sunday. Now, this particular metro station connects to a lot of iconic landmarks across Delhi, be it the Red Fort, be it the Chandni Chowk Market, the temples here, the mosques, the gurdwaras, all the religious sites that is the heart of Delhi and also the older parts of the neighborhood. Now that it has finally reopened, life and livelihood is slowly returning back to normal in this area. With video journalist Gopal near the Red Fort, this is Dharamjot Kaur for WION World is One.